Ketia as compared to Julius Zebra. Mo find Julius Zebra is a dangerous person in quote say anytime on the contest be she go for penasem media for penasem Julius Zebra are making enti me say ba me support to say then you say Ketia winning that yet be beat no.
But unfortunately let me tell you too sir.
On also grassroots
Julius into me match as Ketia
e wo end this election you say more thing
no
you go back
enti no can the pon ebe dey say beto aton because if fiance na excuse me ye dey ne niama be attack no enti bra ya fa ne fa bra no na NDC for no I could look for the past
videos and audio
mistake audio no na ya packaging no
abale say dey so be edim dada e no wa so
say no dey onye presidential o say oye presidential we na wakoje bebi a
elevated a yibisa
moral grounds and say you know if first ever catch on NDC for no nim how to deal with Kennedy Pon and na Kennedy Pon so no you won kofu bi wa omunye NDC for there are some men of God who have vowed say they will do serious campaign
against Kennedy Pon
against ono and you no pe
ba say onu mutu say
tio mami chobi obi biara osofu biara wako ka Kennedy Pon ho mami yi Owusu Bempah oni no mo ye omo pem nsikedi na skano so benya but these same people led by Owusu Bempah only prophecy no
yeah
this is Owusu Bempah no is also in bed with NDC
of course I do
so ni bola kono otumission come say onu say Kennedy is will win Joe Kennedy I do not so we also know akoka by NDC for my holiness so etelo mo ye bibia
ebesa akosoro
number win enti ni baba kono and at the same time no at the same time all the camps oh yes I know ba me so be hunu
I said we omnipresent and omnipotent
last week preaching, you know.
That was the yes. Probably no. I'm body you. Menene di se money wo that be so me say oh yeah so me say maminka me say menene di se money a oh yeah me small boy be di penny oh yeah me chiriba
okay
what do I say and na minim no wo plaza mamprobi
plaza
homo no and na minim Owusu Bempah menena because say ono no or your political strategist
yes
but or the religion no
me ba cho enya ni contest and go for contest o ka se on dey se money so na koye
oh because it's money
it's a crime
but that be any crime
some person for contest
ya ball you know
mako bi kakra I
say ni yere na oja no
third one
Justin
okay
do to okonkron ni na dey uni student
sa ho
me say na dey
okay
the Central University me tell the law company business law I've taught for more than 20 years
oh the same year
yo enti no me tell you that enti omo divorce no kwa no nyame e court ni no ba no obeka kire me that time me lawyer enti na op help enti I know Owusu Bempah in and out and onim enti no menim say Owusu Bempah is smart
yeah
you see Kennedy be wini wa je na ba omi anso akometu ba me anko ba me ko Owusu also fabra no wa je mama muso ababa
ma ho ba fom
you bo do fom Julius Zebra Owusu Bempah oh yes but me feeling no munja no nye djuma because we say they say sorry no sikara ba fom before go the man they say sorry
collection ba fom
correction plus they say the movement in there no enti me only the one Kennedy Pon who did believe in men of God and rose against men of God and said that it's a waste for you to go to church and I started attacking men of God. Now he believes in them. Kennedy Pon or no the whole political career no he doesn't believe in nyame nipa o say nyame I saw say ukwa a waste of time on mountain serious crusade on my FM on the Kofi Annan against men of God that all attack mu nyegugu obebri asore to now I know say Kennedy Pon enyi asofo ndi na wo trans na so asofo ya wonyom di etu be che kombo na energy usika wo jejeje
ayo
on meji diske di only no man. Share, almost conscious now, conditional conscious. What did I say? Obey your way, but what did I say? A question be out of but. Currently, I can tell you, because you can report be winning. Later, about say, but I'm also be home. And to say, a top, not a so home. You
have to up your game.
They know how to argue against it. All the men around Kennedy Pond is local few. It's all about they believe Kennedy Pond. And you know, they are selling the party to NDC. Also, Bempah is strongly in line with Mama.
Yeah.
And you know, they want the weaker candidate for us. And you know, Monfa nya onye sellable. Onye weaker. Also, Bempah shankomna yamfa Kennedy Pond bra. NDC press no. Na musuma yi mistake na makoto akofa ho a na de se musu mpa ba Kennedy Pond nsa so wo fi o di ase o me ka kira wo de obehu mu Kennedy Pond be fa be rapper or the conditional prophecies be start aba and na se sha ne de if I say we de me ka say obedi presidential parliamentary presidential candidate after the win ni de wo bo so be ba the conditions be here
and also conditions
ndo all thing guarantee because at time na I say onye bi fi other source so minya Kennedy Pond is not serious if he allow these men of God, if he goes to the contest believing that these men of God are speaking the mind of God, the delegate will punish because also Bempah will be a MPP for delegates so mubufuno because okaobi any opposition and the most na obi ano wa shem nkom akọ so mama nsem akọ ka say obegu MPP party no ba be ka shem say nipa esamode ne ba na mobu ko ditu na and then say mama Owusu Bempah be determine say do sikan no I determine who become president
yes
mama that in fail mama say enye huhum na to aba unemu na to aba adwin na no de pesika wo candidates no no ba omia unnim na the one see the common Owusu Bempah me campaign against you mama na kapre over uncle Kennedy report ho no ko diska uncle mama mo ko diska ba omia should stay put
so Kennedy so for no back start say ba omia nko for start ba
yes definitely
yes
and frustration
is the same match now
it's a match the format
okay so yeah draw we no to conclusion no opposition now and that's 11th October right opposition now on nipa 5 wa contest election in
the position now I'm me nobody have influenced me nobody have come to see me I'm not on any platform they say Baumia should be the choice
okay
and he will make election 2020 one touch he will beat NDC hands down Kennedy will let us stop obeko obenya normal to be winning so either obenya 40 something and 30 something that's the first number maybe and the second time now be winning but Ghanaians don't give you the first chance there's no presidency in Ghana who call first time and the amount you know who first you to me reject 1 2 1 3 Kennedy will be rejected the manual and you pay power and temper why do you want somebody to be rejected if 2 what the Kennedy but one man NDC for no equal platform because they are also going to produce somebody who is new so when you are greenhorns into that almost they are already in the system until almost the incumbent advantage in the B2 because who they are going to do suba obe match Kennedy Pond odi over say ba obe Kennedy Pond
who endorse I can yes hey wo mu bugafu why some guys something like the buy
no
and I would
me na me ko analysis no
okay
I did analysis on my show now me tell why we must maintain Kennedy Pond
no Dr.
Baumia sorry how we should maintain Dr. Baumia that is where I took all the aspirants and analyzed and I rubbished them.
Okay.
I took when I say do true. Now me say you good nice man, but when I say time is soon. Now the when more on say on starting with vice presidency. What I say and then Ebebuano because president is too early. He doesn't have the qualities now.
Okay.
Now me ba when I say
Kale Japan.
Nabi
friend is Wanya. Bread Japan.
Nabi we Kobe Japan. And then the American and I me say me say uko two skegu.
Uko hokwa ye den.
And na Brian no me can say Brian so da ben. Yeah na so be that's like I say who buy who trust say who nya wa dream Brian. She says Brian person odi. But then na ban push is this because of money?
Okay.
It means we can say Brian money. Maybe we can say Baumia because of the 41 9% no. Ono kwa it did no marketing. And if it's one shall be boss the America so yeah, maintaining the own. And now no this time no, they can't pay the back because that 9% that you need know will get a lot from one floating voters. Because they will be disappointed the mama got
by 2028.
You it's a beefy ho. They be a beefy NDC party be brave ho. Omo fu currently as I speak, me finance man meba. Nipa more than 12 from whom omo nya NDC for. Omo dwa dan so ma MP no. Reverend no. Omo say omo trauma baumia. That's what they told.
One of first Reverend Adwana.
Ado. Because what disappoint omo. Now omo ya NDC for. Omo say as na ni NPP for omo so a chair. No mo for say nya mo nya no na but and then we say even NDC for be any galam say the fumbi be will vote for Baumia. Then NPP for na do abu fu ye no and then bufu no bebre ko not because party na be do amomo but mo say NDC for no more treaty the real NPP ni odono Owusu enti they ome mash up. Enti that 9% you be approved but it is not Baumia that will win, but is that yes, I want. I'm sorry, no, but it is not Yempo ne be winning. Normally, it's the ruling government.
Like Papa, Shwedebra, Sibra Sikakra.
And you no be winning, but rather is the ruling government that will lose elections. Mama is going to lose because one, he 1 year. Unim say agrobe so I have look, every president be our utem, first time. And then ahodi ne wo ho first time na ye show who person ye show first time first time no was anado the first time no you go to 3 years it was the COVID there no anado had only 3 years so 4 years no COVID period the nation was shut down politics was shut down now who can then campaign everything was shut down and the another was unfortunate to say the first 3 years no on now the prove here nana mama waba will be person legacy no first year jamais
let's say
nothing and every step of in way no is hurting people the more the attempt to reset the judiciary no has left to damaging people's reputation so look at what they have done to Tokonu c'est Tokonu family be NDC nia Jesus Christ ne yere ne ma ne busuya na danfo the schoolmates ne look do you know how many judges love Tokonu me I've encountered more than 15 judges but me make sure say mo ye cowards mo ye chimro souls because na ye Tokonu no mo mpe so mo suro ehufo me catch them enti no Tokonu we are look at what the chairman to me enti no there uba first year no is hurting, destroying, sacking. Enti nyama ekosu nia na che say, mama ni bibi papa. And the better worse second year. Because who didn't hear? Currently as we speak, no. All the appointees and people who are with mama no. I try say who say, mama beko.
Enti obeso mudi ade.
Enti obeko enti no. There so nya ntem na so nako. Mama era na ekono. Oh, trust
and guaranteed. Say, that you will send a post to be.
Yes, because all corner or didn't call for the corner. Kaka when you know, I saw bomb back. And as I said, no, I saw more. And to what here, they have now stopped doing the party job and they are doing their pocket job.
Yes,
I'm online corruption be an homo you. And you know, all these things in Yano, actually say, Mama second year. And the third year, the West was that another prime minister started.
Let's say started put at that.
You and you know,
jogging and touring.
4th year no so near Kotwaba. And then the mama who said, Charlie, mo transfer mo first mama baby papa. Mama lining the government in the same way say, I saw recover the lost over 2016 car. Until 2020 ni Ibrahim mama ko and sponsor no sponsorship anything Ibrahim edi kutin e wo no the way mo can say ofurata so sponsor na don't know into no currently no the one who is actually in control of this government is Ibrahim mama what every mama says is final. Say I'm omo say Gabi, that's happening. Me catch your share, who to me say me. Me I can't me mama solution, but I can't give you the solution. No solution.
Martin.
Who to me say, look, what him say? Me di won't to me Ibrahim Mama case I court. My chum move for 5 years. My first term. I will court general division 4.
Okay.
Ibrahim Mama sue to me and straight the hatred in the rate. And the way their lawyers come and the way they push the judge. I mean, me a master practitioner. It is a
tactician.
Me quite my first term. Me first term now. So I judge no. What him say you promote no?
Echo High Court.
High Court. The lordship Dogu.
Okay.
On the first person I promote no.
Okay.
No. So court appeal.
Okay. So no High Court judge.
Me ye case with him High Court judge. Audience no. Nya audience no. Ya promote no.
Echo Court of Appeal.
Case no so no be deal. Next week be court. Enti me hu na me say hey Ibrahim me minute amount to me. Na the moment Ibrahim me minute amount to me no.
Aye ehu.
Da we say John bia no me ye. Enti the judiciary as it stands now, they are in control. And they do what me let's put it on record. Me na me Bempah it's here animal farm judge.
Papa no.
Yes. Na me ni pa. Me ni weak points. Mini baby ofi nema mini bone won so onim pa on ye judge
meba
enti unim ba okay
meba wo de beja wo mo ja mo chefita ya mo sheshe enti no ye beja wo for the meantime
dabi menja so me can say
okay
I'm a lawyer.
Yes,
I say things I don't implicate myself.
Of course.
Know somebody who have sat on national television 2012 currently me by won say benya asem da won say afem da I don't
obi confirm the na work and was saying was say Benjamin Danso or Birmingham, UK. Was a lawyer said this around February 2025.
Yes.
I personally watched that program live. Not only the Japan's name was mentioned, rather he mentioned to reconcile with a lot of people, including Reverend Owusu Bempah and the Efuashwa. Was it was
yes. Was so me say me person reconcile. And what I'm saying is that animal fan judge no. I was so surprised that ruling me buy no. Now I expose who he is. And currently, no, a lot of judges, no, are afraid of this current government. A lot of judges, because if he can remove their leader with so ease, one hand, and then what I maybe can say, Chama to be case, no, judge be or transfer be a me Bempah say what the people obey. Now and then they are cover, but can they pon? Me chemo me chita for.
Yes.
What I say, if you think you win, this kind of propaganda is not going to help. Who is Lawyer Maurice Sampa? Me one person I'm matching my dream. But me for me video. Na mo edit no. Na mo de capture no. Enti mo say na ampa bahad that can dey point. Na who cause am? Say sir, kadema am ken yan kamin kan o. Asham ho. Kennedy point is not red, it's not ripe. Currently, it's not marketable. You to be turn. Kennedy, you talk Kennedy, Ghana phone talk.
I didn't.
What?
Because I must see grassroots.
No, please. Grassroots no. Grassroots no. What is the scientific basis? No. Sample no. Oh, definitely.
But that's
no.
What can I say grassroots?
Grassroots there. They be working grassroots. Based on who? It's not about grassroots pay. This election is not going to be won by MPP grassroots. MPP grassroots, how many of them do you know also know that they also belong, they also feel it about me? And they can grassroots, statistically, there are a lot of grassroots who also feel about me. I'm saying that, can the point, didn't say about one is about me, Yakoton about me, the body, I think the BISD, I said, I do before 2016. Aye. It's about me. Ne religious way you didn't attempt that. Ne economy you didn't attempt. Eti ya huru ba omi to the say no.
Akada sabone.
Bi eniwa. O kan fa ba omi be fa.
Okay.
But Kennedy pon de ye. Kennedy pon de. Minia. Kennedy pon de. Before go the man no. Niama omo MPP for na ka say sum na onim. O kwa kensie na wo opponent epewa. Let us say,
let's say we weak candidates.
Bra, mo share say, omo ye ma mane beba no. Unu say na me kan be join we friend say.
Do four.
Say me bo.
Because I can before a week.
You a week.
Before a week I
can stroke before I me say mama ya di mayen. And you know I say it no be pobia ka challenge me to me wait. Some people get like a big person, you know, and NDC for no so just smart.
My Mr. Confess here.
You confess.
What do you say? Say,
yeah.
Julius Zebra.
You,
Julius Zebra. And they say Dinketia.
You,
maybe say back contest now.
Yeah.
Me support to say Dinketia.
You,
I didn't because I know say a bit easier for MPP Dr. Bamel to beat a say Dinketia.
You,
as compared to Julius Zebra. More fight Zebra is a dangerous person in code say anytime on the contest behind she go for penasem. Media for penasem. Julius Zebra are making. Enti maybe say ba me support to say then you say you get winning that it's be beating.
But unfortunately let me tell you too.
What also grassroots.
Julius. Into me match as you get here.
E wo end this election. Yes say more thing.
No.
Yakwa back.
Enti no. Enti no. Kedi de pon. E be dey say beto